So we finally done it. We register our post-lockdown first win. We beaten Southampton 2-0 away from home, and Arteta's first Premier League win away from home, with goals from Nketiah in the 20th minute and Joe Willock in the 87th minute. And this win was deserved. We played quite well. We had 11 shots off target, and we had 5 shots on target, and we started well with offensive maneuvers. Like Aubameyang tested McCarthy and he hit the post and had a goal disallowed for offside. Then a mistake from McCarthy allowed Nketiah to rob him of possession and slot it home in the empty net to make it 1-0. And we were pretty much in control of the first half. In the second half, Aubameyang squared it to Nketiah, but his shot was blocked away. And Emi Martinez had to make a good save from Shane Long in the second half to preserve the score. Jack Stevens got sent off for Southampton for a failed last man tackle on Aubameyang, and we got a free kick from there. And we made it 2-0 towards the end when substitute Lacazette's free kick hit the wall and fell into Joe Willock's path to make it 2-0. So yep, the performance was good enough overall, and hopefully this can continue. And we saw some interesting changes. Mesut Ozil was left on the bench, so I think Arteta is preparing for life after Ozil. And Guendouzi was dropped, and rightly so. His performance wasn't good enough, and that scuffle with Mope was at the end of the Brighton game was rather unnecessary. And he's had some issues with disciplinary and whatnot, and he has to sort that out in order to start playing properly or to start playing regular football. So let's get into the player ratings. Emi Martinez gets a solid 7.5 out of 10. His distribution was good, made an important save, and he communicated well with our backline. Mustafi gets a 6.5 out of 10. He started the game somewhat shakily. He got booked in the first half, but as the game went on, he got better and he made some important tackles in the second half. Rob Holding gets a 8 out of 10. He was very composed, and he won a lot of aerial duels, and he was also very calm in possession. Hector Bellerin, he gets a 6 out of 10. He was poor in possession in the first half, and offensively he wasn't very good, but defensively he was relatively good. Kieran Tierney gets a 7.5 out of 10. Very composed, very good defensively, linked up well with Saka, and he provided one excellent pass to Aubameyang in the first half with a long ball. Midfielders, Ceballos was poor, 5 out of 10. Poor in possession, although he tried hard, but not good enough. Xhaka gets a 7 out of 10. He was very good in the first half, very solid, but in the second half he was not so good and he lost a little bit of control in the game. Saka gets a 7 out of 10. He didn't play in his favourable position, but still did a decent job, or at least a satisfactory job. What a gem we've got who can play in so many positions. Forwards, Aubameyang gets an 8 out of 10. He was very much involved in our attacking play and he deserved a goal. Unfortunately didn't get it, but that's our captain for you. He does a lot. He may not be in here next season, but till the time he's here, we must enjoy him. Nicolas Pepe, slightly underwhelming, gets a 6 out of 10. Not his best game. I thought this game would be made for him, but we didn't see anything notable from him. Nketiah gets a 8.5 out of 10. Scored his goal and he was pressing throughout and he was very industrious. That's great to see, and making good forward plays, and his skills with back to goal was second to none. In the subs, I will be giving Willock 7.5 out of 10 because he scored the goal. Because the other subs like Lacazette's free kick led to the goal, and Kolasinac was okay, but I can't really rate them because they didn't get that much time on the pitch. So anyways, thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.